Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Blessings and best wishes to all of you. Welcome once again to Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. You're here with your one and only, the Smokepot. And today, we're going to be doing something that's very simple to Caribbean people. But people all over the world does this a whole lot of different ways. But I've been told this is one of the best there is. And what I'll be doing is rice and beans or rice and peas. You can do rice and peas with various type of beans or peas. But one of our famous one is gungo peas, which in other countries they call it pigeon peas. In the Americas and the Spanish speaking, they call it pigeon peas. But for us, we call it gungo peas. I'll be doing this one from scratch. I'll be doing it the authentic way. I'll be using coconut from the scratch, right? And I'm also going to be showing you exactly what gungo peas is for those who don't know. But basically, it's a pea and it comes in pods. These are the pods that come in. When you take them from out of the pod, then this is what you're going to get, right? So it's as simple as you hold your pod and you just kind of squeeze the sides and then it opens up like that. And there are your peas. That's your pigeon peas or your gungo peas. As I'm saying, we call it gungo peas. Spanish people call it pigeon peas. There you go, simple as that. You open them out. But it's very time consuming. So it's very rare that you're going to see it this way. Usually you're going to see it already, you know, just the beans or the peas by themselves, right? So, but it's very time consuming to do this. I've been doing this one that I have here from yesterday because I'm in Jamaica right now. And you know, in Jamaica, I try to get everything as authentic as I can to show you guys. So that's what I'm doing. Then after that, now, you're gonna wash it and you gotta wash it properly. Because as you know about vegetables, vegetations, all of that, sometimes you have worms and you can have different type of little small bugs that can infest it. So you just slowly, you know, you wash it slowly. There you see like those small, some of them is like peas, that's not rotten. You know, you get rid of those. You see, you do like that. You get more water in it. And you take your time and you wash it properly. I'm going to do this about 3 times. And after that, I'm just going to put it in the hot water. Or at least I'm going to start by putting it on the fire and start boiling it. I'm going to be boiling it for approximately about 35 minutes. So my next step from here is to put them on the fire. So see you guys. Well guys, the peas that I've been boiling, the gungo peas, it's been boiling for about 30 minutes. So it's relatively almost where I want it to be. So the next step in the process is to add my coconut. But because I'm doing the authentic rice and peas, I'm using the natural coconuts. I just ox them out and now I'm gonna be gratering them. After which I'll juice it and then I'll be adding it to my peas. So basically, it's a lot of work comparing to what we do now because nowadays, you know, we just blend and we good to go, or we buy in the can or we buy the powder form. But it tastes a whole lot different when you use the raw coconut like this. So this one, because, you know, it's the holidays and everything, I'm going the extra mile. And because I'm presently, you know, in Jamaica and I have all these ingredients, I'll be using all of them. All right, so guys, as usual, you know, Smokepot, when we do our thing, we take it to the next level. So I'm gonna finish gratering this, and then when I'm ready, I'll get back to you guys. So stay tuned, all right? Okay, guys, now I'm finished gratering my coconut, and I also juice it. So this is what the end product looks like. Some nice coconut cream right here, and this is the trash that's left of it. So now we're gonna be seasoning up our peas. So first, we're gonna add our ground seasoning, which rice and beans is very simple. We don't need all these seasonings out there. So we're gonna use a little bit of scallion and thyme, some green pepper and some garlic. All right, so we do that. And then we're gonna be adding our nice coconut cream right here. We'll pour all that in there. The more the coconut flavor is the more delicious it is. Then we're just gonna add a few powder seasoning, not too much of nothing. All right, so black pepper. We're gonna use a teaspoon right here. We're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And to top it off, we're gonna have a little all-purpose, 1 teaspoon, and a little butter, all right? Then we're gonna allow that to cook so everything comes into itself. Just a little bit of butter. We're gonna add everything now. We allow everything to boil and come into itself, and then we're gonna wash the rice and add to it. So I'll see you in a few when we finish this beautiful rice and beans we're doing on this very festive day, all right? Okay guys, at this time, I have all my seasoning and everything. It's now all in one, and it's now time to add my rice. I tasted it and flavor is beautiful. So now I'm gonna be adding my rice. Just a matter of notification to you guys. Rice, depending on if you want it soft or if you want it on the shelly side, that's how we call it. When it's a bit firmer, the portion or the ratio that you use is usually 1 cup to 1.5 water. With the rice and beans, you know that liquid is a bit thicker, so it's 1 cup to a little over 1.5. But anywhere between 1 cup to 1.5, that ratio is usually perfect, depending on if you want it soft or shelly. So if you want it softer, you add more water, that's all. If you want it shelly, you keep it at the ratio 1 to 1.5, all right? So now we're gonna pour our rice in. It's already washed properly. As I'm saying, I said that on all the videos, so I do not need to be showing you I'm washing the rice and wasting time. You should know that we wash rice. Hopefully you do the same. All right, so we pour all this in, and then I'm gonna allow it to boil. As soon as it comes back to a boil, then I'll turn it on a low temperature, have it covered, and then within the next 30-35 minutes, my rice will be done. All right, so I'm gonna leave this to boil and then turn it down to a low temperature, and at that time, I'm gonna give it 35 minutes, and that's when you're gonna see me again when it's ready to go, all right? Okay guys, it's now 35 minutes since my rice and beans, so now it's ready, and this is what it looks like. Right, as you can see, as I take it up, you can see how fluffy or shelly it is. It's not holding to the spoon like those soft mushy rice, and that's exactly how we like it in the islands. So right now it's a plating time. So as usual, you know, I gotta take some for myself right here. But I also have a very special guest with me today who is gonna be tasting. Shamar, very brilliant young man, you know, trying to do everything right in life, but his stomach is not normal. He loves food big time. And for that reason, I have to throw him out there today, and he's gonna be the one who's gonna be tasting for us. So as usual, you know that I usually have to add a few more things to my plate, although the rice and beans is the highlight. Today I added some snapper, sliced snapper, and I put a little salad with some tomatoes in it. So as I'm saying, the highlight is the rice and beans, so you guys don't be there licking your tongues at the fish. Today is not the fish day. All right, so let Shamar enjoy it and tell us exactly what's going on.
Wow, I almost lost for words, so I'm speechless. Rice is so shelly, it just dissolves in my mouth, right? You can taste the coconut cream. These are some lush coconuts that was used to prepare this rice and peas. This is, I must say, it is excellent.
Listen, man, don't enjoy, because right now I don't think I even need any gravy on this.
No, you can take back the fish, I must say. This rice is beautiful. It's really
guys,
delicious.
I know that a lot of you guys still be like, oh, it's a makeup thing, it's this and that. Please, try the recipe and see what it's like before you say that. I'm asking you to just try that. Because when I'm telling you that this is banging, the butter, the coconut cream, the scallion, the thyme, the pepper, everything is just shining through in a balanced way. You know what we stand for here at Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. So I'm happy that Shamar is enjoying it. You gotta enjoy the fish and the salad just the same, but we're gonna keep it going. Thanks again for supporting us, Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. Remember, subscribe, share, like. Peace out. God bless. Guys, here we are enjoying that beautiful rice and beans, but as you can see, it's much more than that. So here, welcome to my family. They are eating and enjoying. I'm a bit embarrassed because I'm trying to tell them to say something in the video, but everybody head is down in their plate. I don't know what that means, but here we are, one big happy family. It's good. That's show everybody eating, you know, and we just enjoying and having a great time. It's a very beautiful season. Some people celebrate it, some don't, but we're just giving God thanks for life, and that is where we are right now.